Hi everyone. So this is the first video in the animal series. A lot of you had messaged me asking if there were any crystals or if there were any remedies that we can do for our fur babies, for our pets, for our cats, for our dogs, for our birds. So I have tried to put together 3 videos where I'm going to be talking about what we can do for the well-being of our pet, for our fur babies, and I'm trying to keep it as breed neutral as possible, as species neutral as possible. So these are remedies that you can do to take care of your pets, and this is something that would work for cats, for dogs, for birds, and for most common house pets. So today we are going to be talking about the crystals, because a lot of you had asked if there were any crystals that we can use for our pets. तो कुछ crystals हैं जो हम अपने pets के लिए use कर सकते हैं. The easiest way to use these crystals, because it's very difficult to make them wear it, is simply putting a tumble in their beds. उनके बेड के नीचे या जहाँ पर भी आपके एनिमल्स ज़्यादा टाइम बिताते हैं वहाँ पर आप ये रख सकते हैं. And simple tumbles kept around their living area would do just fine. So here are some basic crystals that you can use for your cats and for your dogs. First of all, I've tried to categorize as many as I can. Now, one thing that we can do, if you have a multi-pet household, there is a lot of different energy, because every dog, every cat has their personality. I personally have 3 pets. I have 2 cats and 1 dog, and they're all extremely strong, opinionated personalities. So the crystal that you need is a smoky quartz. Try and keep 2 to 3 tumbles of smoky quartz. If you have a cluster, then put 1 cluster in the room where they live the most, because obviously they will not have a common bed. Charge it with the energy that I want my pets, my fur babies to have harmony among themselves and to be protected from each other, and live together very well, and work in each other's favor. Do that and they'll be absolutely fine. For people who have aging cats or dogs, or senior cats and dogs, keeping a jasper would be amazing. You can use any form of jasper. For dogs, I would suggest Dalmatian jasper. It's very easily available. You can use that. For cats, you can use a combination of yellow jasper or red jasper. As it is, they're very courageous animals, and you can combine it with a small piece of cat's eye, a rough cat's eye. If you have a dog who's lethargic, whose energy levels aren't really very high, or he's also shy and sad at the same time, citrine is the crystal you should use. For a dog who's very aggressive, a combination of sodalite and amethyst can do wonders for your dog. Then if you have a pet, a cat or a dog who's got anxiety, then a carnelian is the crystal for them. A simple carnelian tumble like this. I was just working with carnelian today, and you can use that. If your dog often falls sick, or if your cat often falls sick, or your bird often falls sick, and they have health issues, physical health issues, then keeping a smoky quartz in their bed is amazing. You could also use smoky quartz kept under their food bowl or water, so that the energy constantly goes into it. But I personally feel that if your dog has a specific place, or your cat has a specific place of sleeping, then keeping tumbles around that place is something that will work wonders. Try and keep big tumbles so that they don't end up gobbling them down. That doesn't happen with cats, but it does happen a lot with dogs. And last but not the least, some of you asked me for if I had a remedy, any of my root work remedies for the pets. So here is a pet protection jar. I have just made one for somebody's cute little cat with this little cat charm on it. So you can have a pet protection jar made like this, customized for your pet. This protects your pet against running away, getting lost, and of course general well-being unki manage karta hai. This is valid for 1 year, depending on what the physical condition of your pet is, and sometimes they even last 4 to 5 years. So that's a remedy that you can use for your pets. I hope these crystals help you and your little fur babies, and making sure that angels always bless these angels who live among us, because there's the joy that these fur babies bring into our lives is just amazing. So sending lots of love, lots of healings, and lots of blessings to your fur babies.